Hello everyone. I wanted to come on today and talk to you about my March card club. I've been doing this new card club the last couple of months. So January and February is when it started. And this month it's a little bit different than how it's looked the previous 2 months, but same general type of idea. So I'm going to show you what is all involved and included for this month. And then remember, if you participate for 6 consecutive months, it's no long-term commitment by any means, but when you do 6 months in a row of my card club, you will get a little swag bag surprise from me. So if you started in January and you've been continuing, your swag bag would arrive with your June card club. But you can join anytime. If that doesn't work for you, you just do it on the months that you want to. So it's a little different this month because usually I do 8 cards. So I design 4 different cards and then you get supplies to make 2 of each and then the product, that's included. So this time, instead of 8 cards, you're doing 20. And instead of 4 designs, there are 10, and it's still the same price point of $35. So you're making all of these cards. I'm going to flip through them individually so you can see them. But it's the same price point, so it's definitely something you're going to want to jump on. The designs are pretty similar and kind of basic. They're quick and creative cards. You'll be able to, sit down and crank out those 20 cards in not too much time. The key are the card bases that I'm using, and the designer paper is really what just sets it apart. So you might be familiar with our Memories and More products. So we have these cards and envelopes. I used some for my February special card kit I offered at the end of the month. These are different ones that I'm doing. So this is what the card base looks like. So just kind of a speckled background there. And then the envelopes are really fun too. So this is the front of the envelope. It's got some gold foil. And then the back of the envelope is like this. So this is the part that folds down here. It's got that floral pattern there. So you're going to get, for my March card club, you're going to get 20 card bases and envelopes, and you're going to get a half of a package of this designer paper. Now this, I'm gonna, hopefully, without being too chaotic here, flip through so you can kind of see the patterns here. They're just so pretty. It's just like a wash of color. You see like Calypso Coral, Daffodil Delight. You might notice, if you're really observant, there are a couple of returning Stampin' Up! Colors. This right here was, I believe, Lost Lagoon. We're getting a color refresh in the next couple of months when our new annual catalog comes out. And so this is kind of a little sneak peek happening here. So all of these papers, so you're getting 24 sheets of 6x6 paper with those 20 card bases. You're also going to get some linen thread, and you're going to get some embellishments. Now, I have to tell you, when I designed these cards, I used these new embellishments that just became available March 1st, and they're already sold out. So just a side note, Stampin' Up! Is doing this thing called online exclusives, where they're introducing some products just online, not published in the catalog, and they order a certain quantity, and it's available while supplies last. So in your card club package, you're going to get some iridescent gems that will look great on these cards too. But I just wanted you to know what you see on here is going to be a little bit different as far as these little embellishments. Yours will look just a little bit different. But as I flip through these cards, you're going to see they have a very similar look. This piece is embossed here, and this is a strip of designer paper. I'm just gonna hold each of them up. So you see it's very similar, right? I'm letting that designer paper do all of the work. I just added a little bit of embossing on some of them, added some of that linen thread, some embellishments, but really it's that designer paper because it is so gorgeous. So in the card club, remember, you're going to get supplies to make 2 of each of these 10 cards. So you're getting supplies to make 20 cards with those really fun envelopes, right? And it's only $35. You're gonna have gems, the embellishments that you get, you're gonna have those left over. So it's really, really a great value. So that is what I've got for you with the March Card Club. Now, I will say the words, the greetings that you saw on these, I used the Framed Florets and Early Espresso ink. I used that thank you with all my heart and the wishes for a beautiful birthday. You can use any greetings that you have at home. I chose to use Early Espresso. You could use black if you wanted to, or a gray probably. It's entirely up to you. If you want to order the Framed Florets and Early Espresso so you can complete them exactly as shown, you certainly can do that. Or any of the other, you're gonna wanna check out some of the online exclusive things. There's some really, let me see if I can quickly find, there's this pack of embossing folders that it's called like Basics or something, but it's 3 different folders. So you can see on this one, it's got like a floral pattern. This one's got like a crosshatch type thing, and then these polka dots. Those are definitely just some nice basic textures that you could use for a variety of occasions. So I'll put a link to that here so that you can kind of explore the online exclusives. So you can do a catalog order, online order if you would like to. And then I'll also link to the details for the March Card Club, because that you just pay me the $35 and then you get the package at the end of the month that's got all of your supplies to do these 20 cards this month. Like I said, usually it's 8 cards. This month it's 20 at the same price point of $35. And then you will get an email that's got the PDF tutorial with all your photos and instructions so that you know exactly how to make these cards. So that is what I have for you today. It's a great value with the 20 cards for $35, so be sure to take a look at those details. And if you want to order anything through my online store, I'll post that link as well. All right, have a great day.